Guys, you might have probably heard about the latest Magisk version, which is Magisk v22.0, that is officially now available for all the devices. But let me show you the things which you get here if you download those APK files which we have installed as sub-release in Magisk 22 APK. The Magisk 22.0 installation is quite complicated right now. I'm going to show you the steps that how you can install that. I'm not going to show you exactly that how you can install that, but I'm just going to clarify that how you can install that. For example, if you want to use this sub-release APK, if you use it, you'll be able to install this Magisk Manager. I've installed it and now we need to manually relaunch the app. This is just a quick review about this Magisk. If you want to use that, as you can see, the app cannot continue to work in the hidden state, root was lost, and etc. You need to just follow the on-screen instructions very easily, allow from the storage, and we will be able to install this Magisk 22.0 APK, the latest version. Now the main process start. If you open this app here, you will see the installed, of course, no, and also it will not show you any kind of update. If you click on install option here, you'll see select and patch a file. Which file need to patch? Because we need to install this Magisk. How we can install the Magisk? There's no option, and there is no option of downloading the latest Magisk 22.0. So this is quite complicated right now for the normal user. If you are a normal user, this might be a complicated thing for you. Here we have the updated installation guide. As you can see, if you read the description, you have the installation guide option available. If you go and click here, and if you open it in any browser, for example, I'm gonna open it on my Chrome browser. Here you can see how you can install this. First of all, as you can see, it has, you understand what is ADB and what is fastboot. And as you can see, if your RAM disk is yes, then you can see your device is perfect for installing Magisk. So let's check out if our device RAM disk is yes or no. If I go back, as you can see, my device RAM disk is equal to yes, so which means I'll be able to install Magisk on my device without any kind of issues. But still there are some issues. Which are those issues which we're going to talk about in this video? First of all, it has some instructions available. If you want to read them, you can simply visit their website. Here comes the main step. If your device has the boot RAM disk, which means we have the yes, you need to copy the boot image. So first of all, you need to grab the boot image of your device. Then what you need to do is you need to copy the boot recovery image to your device, press the install button, and some other things like select and patch a file and other things which I am not gonna share with you. But still, if you want to install this thing on your device, if you want to install Magisk like this, just comment below. I'll try to make a full video on that how you can install the Magisk 22.0 on your device right now if you want to. But the thing is, I will definitely recommend you to use the Magisk 21.4 because that is stable and easy to install and almost everyone is using right now. Magisk 22.0 is very early stages, so it's better to just wait for that, and maybe we will get the other method. But yes, this method is not bad. I'm not saying this method is bad, but the thing is, right now it's not actually user friendly and not everyone is capable to do that. Not everyone is capable to install that. So first of all, in my case, I have this one thing, how I can install the Magisk 21.4 on my device. If I go here, I will not be able to install this. So how to install this? Very easily. First of all, I'll go to any kind of browser. I'll open any kind of tab here. What we need to search is we need to search Magisk 21.4 GitHub. You'll find it in the first page, or you can see first search result. You'll see the Magisk 21.4. You need to download the zip file. So okay, after downloading the zip file, you need to flash this file from the recovery mode, which you already know about. So I'm just going to show you that how you can install the Magisk Manager on your device, which will take some bit of seconds. So just wait for the download to finish. It's downloaded. Let me boot into my custom recovery once and let me install this, that how it will install on my device. Okay, so we boot into custom recovery. First of all, what you need to do is you need to take a new backup here. As you can see, we have the boot image. Click on swipe to backup here and it will back up your boot image, which is of course necessary. So just take a backup in case something goes wrong. Now go to the location where you have downloaded the Magisk 21.4, select that zip file and just reboot to installation. It will take some time to install, and after that you will be able to reboot your device, and after reboot your Magisk will be installed. Very easy steps. These were things I just wanted to let you know. It's better to use the Magisk 21.4 right now. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.